you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have 3 different mystery bundles to show you from FabFitFun's summer edit sale. Do you want to know what came in my bundles? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I know last year or a couple seasons ago, I was a little confused on how FabFitFun does the sale with the box, and then they do like an edit sale after. The add-ons was first, and then they do the edit sale. And the first time I did that, I was confused. I thought it was still an add-on and it was an edit. So this is the edit sale, and I bought 3 different mystery bundles so we can see if they're going to be good this time. So let's go ahead and just start diving in. I have all 3 of them in front of me. So, and these were $29 each bag. So let's go ahead and start with this one. You can kind of already see because they're all in plastic bags. But let's go ahead and get everything out and see what's in these. See if they are worth it. Some, let me tell you, are worth it. Very few that I've got have been definitely worth it. And then all the other ones, not so much. Okay, so the first item right on top is this. It says No BS Day Plus Night Hyaluronic Cream. And it says no parabens, no sulfate, gluten-free, not tested on animals, and ingredients. So let's get this open and see what it looks like on the inside. So the product is completely sealed, and it says it's not magic, it's science. Our unique formula infuses your skin with a multi-layered moisture system that caters to your individual needs using hyaluronic acid and the best natural goodies. Day and night. I like that it's day and night. How to use: after cleansing, toning, and applying serum, or just after cleansing, massage a thin layer of the hydration heaven into your face. Use it when you wake up and before you hit the sheets. So that's the actual size container that's inside of that. So there is item number 1. Item number 2 are these slipper socks right here. And they are, it says Canada. So here is a pair of socks. So then the last item is going to be, I guess, this little bag here. It's in a duster, and then you pull it out, and that is like a burgundy. Okay, this is definitely not my style purse either, but it's just all open. There's this little side thing there, and then is there a zipper on the inside? No. So I guess you just toss your shit in the bottom and close it up. I don't know. That's a different style. That's, like I said, that's definitely not my forte. But I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway. So hopefully maybe somebody will enjoy it that it goes to. I don't know. We'll see. So there is that. So then that's the 3rd item. I thought there was always 4 items in these mystery bags, but this one only had 3. So then the next, oh, sorry, this was in there. So this was the 4th item. What is this? It says ish, and oh, whoa. I wasn't expecting something to pop out the end of it. I guess you pull it out and it's a brush. Let me see if it says anything on it. No, it just says ish. I'm smoking hot. That's the 4th item right there. So sorry, it was missed because it was so small. It came out with something. So there's that. So there was 4. All right, so let's get into the second mystery bundle and see what's in this one. This one definitely has some bigger items. Okay, so the first thing that I have here, it says Stone Cold Fox tea towels. Okay, so here's a set of tea towels. I'm not gonna open them. I'm gonna find somebody that has blue as their accent color and then give them to them because I don't have blue in my kitchen, even though blue is my favorite color. I break up my colors in my house. So here's a set of tea towels, and it looks like there's going to be like a package of 2 of them in here. And does it say? No. It just says tea towels. So I'm gonna assume it's a set of 2. So there's the first item. Then we have is this caterpillar thing here, and it says happy birthday. Maybe they're just little birthday cards. Let's see. So the first one says happy birthday with this little caterpillar. The inside is completely blank on both sides. There is an envelope. So you have that guy that says happy birthday. You have a unicorn that says happy birthday. There's an octopus. Here's a turtle, alligator, a llama, and a flamingo. These would be really cute, especially for like the nieces and nephews for their birthdays. That's actually kind of cool to have. I like getting cards because whenever there's an occasion, I just go to my one little box that I have all my brand new cards in, and I can find it than having to go run out to the store. So then the next item in here says Ish Eyelash Curler. And let me get this opened. Okay, so it does come with one replacement. This is nice and like a heavy, feels like a good quality. It's like a gunmetal color, and I really like that. And there's that. I normally don't curl my lashes, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or do something else with it. But it is at least a nice, good quality one. If I were to keep one, you would want to keep the best quality one, right? So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do because I think I have 1 or 2 of them that I've never even used. So I might just replace it with this one to have a better one. So if I ever do curl them, I got a good one. But there is an eyelash curler for item number 3. And then the 4th item in here is this big guy. And it says My Weekly Planner. And it says Magnetic Dry Erase Planner. Includes 1 marker and 2 magnets. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. So this is not like a refrigerator one. This is like a wall planner. I do like this nice silver etching around the outside, the frame. And then it just says My Weekly Planner, Monday through Saturday. There's 2 magnets, and then there is the magnetic pin marker. And then you can write your notes down at the bottom. This would be really good, especially if you have children. You can kind of keep their chore list or homework assignments or anything like that at bay, like in one hand. You can see, have them check off if they've done it. So I think that's really neat to have in a household. So yeah, so there's that. Now let me go ahead and get into the 3rd and final bundle. This one, I already see something in here that I'm actually really excited about because I was kind of thinking that I might eventually want to buy one to sit here. So if I'm ever doing like a makeup try on or whatever, I have a nice like handheld mirror. I'm like talking about the item. You guys have no clue what the hell I'm talking about. This is a Crown Pro LED makeup mirror, and it looks like it's like an LED lit mirror, and I actually really like that. Like I said, I was going to kind of get one to put in here. I just didn't want to spend the money on one when I really didn't absolutely need one. So the universe works in mysterious ways. So let me just show you what this looks like outside of the box. So it says insert batteries, turn on with the switch at the rear, press to hold to adjust. So this one requires 4 AA batteries. So you would stick those in there. You would line this up to the base, and then it does have a little tray. So you would stick it in that hole. You have the little tray that would be in front, and it lights up. So I kind of like that. I do. So there's item number 1. And again, that item I'm really excited about. So then I've got this set before, but I got it in my favorite color, teal. So I will go ahead and set this aside, maybe put in a future giveaway or see if a family member could utilize it. But it's 3 different sizes of bags. This one's in purple. It says travel, but you can use them for anything. One is 15.75 inches by 12 inches. One's 15.75 inches by 12 inches. And one is 21 by 15.75. Now the difference between the two that are the same size, one is all material and the other one has this mesh lining on it. So if you have shoes or any wet bathing suits, anything like that, you can toss it in the one with the hole so it can still breathe and dry out. So, I mean, I like my set. I have the teal green one. So I got that. All right, so next item in here is going to be Bamboo Cooks Tools, a set of 5. And they look like they have different colored, there's a slotted spoon, a spatula, a slotted turner, and a turner. And they all have different colored handles. That looks really neat. I could always use some good wooden spoons because I love using wooden spoons over plastic. And here we go. So I'm excited that I have another set, or that I have a nice good set. So that's tied up. It's tied up currently, but here are the different sizes. And again, it has the different colors, and I could definitely use some more. And then there's one more item in here. And that is this. It says Mother Dirt Cleanser for face and body. So we have a cleanser, which I clean my face every single night before I go to bed. So I'm always excited to get things that I use every single day because that's amazing. So I think my third is my favorite because this one I'm going to use the mirror, I'm going to use the cleanser, and I'm going to use the spoons. The only thing from this set that I'm going to pass down, only because I already have the set, is this. So I don't think these were very bad. I think my worst would be the one that just had this little tiny brush, a pair of socks, and then the face thing. But that's if I were to rate these best to worst between the 3. It would be the ones with the socks being the worst, the one with the curler and the card and the magnet board being the middle, and then my favorite being the one with the mirror and the bamboo sticks. The one with this mirror, I think this is like my favorite mystery box that I've ever got from them because I've had a few doozies. Just saying. So let me know, did you get anything from the summer edit sale? Did you purchase anything? Did you receive a mystery bundle? Have you seen any of these items in a mystery bag? What was your favorite between the 3? Are you agreeing with me? Was yours the same, like 1, 2, 3 step as in I'm saying? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.